The 2026 Kia Sportage continues to push boundaries in the competitive compact SUV market. After a bold redesign in 2023, Kia has fine-tuned the Sportage's exterior to strike a balance between eye-catching and refined. Gone are the sharp boomerang-shaped lights and low-set headlights, replaced with a more traditional yet stylish front-end design. These updates bring the Sportage in line with the latest Kia models, offering a more cohesive and modern look. Inside, Kia enhances the cabin with fresh design elements and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard sees a refined update, paired with a new steering wheel for a sleeker feel. At the heart of the interior are two impressive 12.3-inch panoramic displays, seamlessly integrated to create a high-tech driving experience. The available two-tone interior adds a stylish contrast, while an all-black theme provides a more understated option. Thoughtful touches like a rotary gear shift, push-button start, and a streamlined control panel give the cabin a premium touch. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, and with 40 cubic feet of cargo space, there's plenty of room for whatever life throws your way. Under the hood, the Sportage remains practical and reliable. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 187 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Whether you choose front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the Sportage offers a balanced and composed ride. The mid-level EX trim is a popular choice, featuring conveniences like dual-zone climate control, wireless phone charging, and heated front seats. Buyers looking for extra luxury can opt for the premium package, which includes a panoramic sunroof, LED ambient lighting, and a hands-free power liftgate. For those wanting a rugged look, the X-Line trim adds adventurous styling elements to enhance its outdoor appeal. Meanwhile, the X-Pro trim takes it even further, equipping the Sportage with all-terrain tires, blacked-out 17-inch wheels, and multiple drive modes for tackling more challenging terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets or weekend getaways, there's a Sportage trim that fits your lifestyle. While the Sportage isn't built for high-speed thrills, it prioritizes comfort, control, and an easygoing drive. The suspension absorbs road imperfections well, the steering feels precise, and the overall handling remains steady. In acceleration tests, the non-hybrid Sportage reached 60 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds, while the hybrid version did it in 7.4 seconds. The hybrid model delivers more power and efficiency but is covered separately. Official fuel economy figures for the 2026 model aren't out yet, but based on past ratings, the front-wheel drive Sportage is expected to achieve around 25 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. All-wheel drive models see a slight drop, with estimates of 23 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. Real-world tests have shown that the Sportage X Pro Prestige with all-wheel drive can reach 31 miles per gallon on highway drives, making it a solid choice for fuel-conscious buyers. For those who need some towing power, the Sportage can handle up to 2,500 pounds when properly equipped with an aftermarket trailer brake controller. While it's not built for heavy hauling, it offers enough capability for small trailers, boats, or recreational equipment. The 2026 Kia Sportage continues to shine with its spacious interior, cutting-edge technology, and smooth ride quality. While it's not the most thrilling SUV in its class, it excels in practicality, convenience, and overall value. If you're searching for a compact SUV that delivers modern features, great versatility, and a stylish presence, the Sportage remains one of the top contenders in its segment.